In this video, I'll be showing you how you can add black bars or borders in Davinci Resolve 18, and beyond that, it is super simple to do. So first of all, what you need to do is open up your clip. Then from here, you need to go down to the color tab down in the menu. Then from here, you need to go up and click in the notes tab so you can see all the notes. Then from here, you need to select the clip up here and change it to timeline, like so. Then from here, you need to go down to sizing down in this menu down here, click on this, and then under blanking, then you have the top and the bottom. If I change the top, you can see up here there's beginning to becoming a black bar or border, and I can do the exact same thing with the button, and I can do that to my liking. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!